All right, folks, when you first put your earbuds in, you'll get a message here saying, Pixel USB-C earbuds connected, set up your Google Voice Assistant. So you can go ahead and finish the setup. And it lets you know how you can adjust them and put them in. You can pull them, slide them to make them fit more comfortable. You can send diagnostics, that's cool. And then just continue through. And it tells you right here how to do it. So in order to try the Google Assistant, you long press on the little button. And I got them in my ears, but let me take them out. You long press on that black button right there. That's how you do it. So once you do that, so when you do that, it talks to you and it lets you know, hey, and like I just did it, and it let me know, hey, if you want to talk to me, go ahead and press the button and I'll talk to you. And that's what happened. So you can do spoken notifications. You can see you'll have it do all these different notifications for you. This is pretty clean right here. So obviously it's got a lot of the Google stuff already turned on. And you got to turn this one on. And then you could do Chrome. You could just do all these different ones here, man. Let's do FedEx. You know what I'm saying? Let's do these right here. Let's do GearBest, Google Plus, not Google Plus. My home security, no, that thing always beeps. You just go through. You can have it turn on the phone and everything. It's nice, man. So I'm turning on the stuff that I'm actually going to use. Oh yeah, gotta do Skype. You can do Twitter, UPS, and let's leave it at that for now. Oh, Telegram. Shout out to Google Pixel Squad. Then you go back and I got that set up. Allow responses while phone is locked. Yes, you definitely want to do that. And it's got the model and the serial number and everything. And that's what it is, man. Got a little picture of it right there. And then that's what it is. So how do these sound? Man, let's talk about that. All right, guys, so having earbuds that come in the box with your Pixel 3 or your Pixel 3 XL, I highly encourage you guys who have this device to try these earbuds. I like that you can adjust them with the little strap. Like the part of the earbud is adjustable itself. The whole wire moves and it adjusts up. And I think that is super sweet. The comfort level is like this. The wire is like this rubbery part right here. And it fits real snug in your ear once you actually get it adjusted to your size. And this eliminates them falling out of your ear. And this also eliminates you having to add on another piece. But having these in, man, wow, it fits nice and snug. As far as noise canceling, I don't know if they claim to have any kind of noise canceling, but it does sound good enough to where if you're playing, like depending on what you're playing, you probably won't hear, any exterior noise. But I think getting it up to between 75 and 100, you're really going to be able to cancel out, you know what I'm saying? Because the quality that comes from the Type-C is actually pretty good. So I could definitely, these are $30. I don't know, like there's plenty of other earbuds that you could possibly get. Now they give you these free. So if you have this phone, some people some people keep all their stuff in the box, 'cause, they're probably going to resell it later. Obviously this isn't a resale device. So, I normally don't use the earbuds that come in the box, only for the Usonic headphones. So the HTC Usonic headphones, if you're wondering how these are going to sound next to those, the HTC Usonic headphones sound better. They sound much better, and probably because the HTC devices have a high quality DAC inside. This phone right here, I don't think it has a high quality DAC. However, these earbuds are Type-C. They're crystal clear. It's got a little bit of bass with it. They're really good. But more importantly, I don't think that they really were like giving you these in the box just for music. I think they were trying to get you on par with the Google Assistant, because ultimately you press this little button right here and you can control your phone. So if you long press on the volume up, it'll read your stuff to you. And you don't have to do it. You don't have to do it from here too. You can do it from your phone too. So if you long press on your volume up while the music is playing, she'll come on and say, hey, your next appointment is this, or you don't have any appointments. Your next alarm is this. And that's how it works. So you can do it from your phone if you have it in your hand by chance, or you can long press on this thing right here, on the control itself. This may not look like a button, but this is volume up and volume down, or basically buttons on either side of this little black button right here. So keep that in mind, man. For those that have got this phone as a review unit, you got to crack the seal on these, and tell me what your opinion is on these, because I think Google probably is gearing more towards the Google Assistant for using these, and the sound quality was probably second on the list. Not to say the sound is bad. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying there are other Type-C headphones that sound better. But as far as how these feel in your ear and the sound quality, it's decent, man. But I think the Google Assistant is the most impressive thing that they've done. So right now, I just long pressed on the, I turned on the video, so it's music playing, and I long pressed on the volume up, and it told me what time it was, and it also told me that I don't have any appointments. So if you do it up here, same thing. You basically can control your phone without, touching your phone. So they want this to be where, it's in your pocket and then it's away, and then you listen to some music, you long press it, you get your notifications and everything. So you send yourself a text message, and you can have it read out everything. I got mine set to read like all notifications. So it's impressive. I like how Google did it. I think these are really comfortable, man, because I like that you can adjust them without having a separate piece. That's what's sweet about them. So all of you guys who got this phone for review, you got to crack the seal on these headphones, and you got to check them out because they are good. The Google Assistant is even more powerful to me, and I like how Google is integrating kind of AI throughout their system now, because you got the Google Pixel stand, you've got these earbuds control things too. I think they're on to something here, and I think they better capitalize on it now by giving a customer these in the box. Hey, it may not seem like much, but a lot of times I do want to have things plugged in for music because I don't want to have to worry about charging. And that is probably the reason that they don't give wireless ones, and they give these wired ones. So it's your man Jay, man. I wanted to give you a quick review of the earbuds that come inside the packaging of the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. I highly recommend that you try them. I think you'll be impressed with how nice the Assistant works. It's not really a gimmick, I think.